Hi guys, this is Brianna once more, and in this video I will be talking to you about like the whole entire channel. So please like, subscribe, comment, and I might even give some shout outs in my past videos. So my last video I just made for fun because I just got this one app, so I was allowed to record videos. So now I can be a YouTuber. So like, while I'm explaining everything, I'll be playing Subway Surfers. So yeah. So in this video you may like comment like types of gaming things I should do, and I'll probably comment you back if I tell you if I have the game or not. So you can tell me what type of games you get. But in the past video I just like wanted to make a Sims Mobile episode because I felt like it, because I never really did this before. So and yeah, but right now I'm trying to play this game, so I'll continue talking with you. So like in this channel it's mainly like I'll have multiple channels eventually. Like I'm gonna have a gaming channel, I'm gonna have like a lot of channels, like meeting my parents, meeting my friends, and please like and subscribe to Benjamin Dynamics. He's what helped create this channel. My best friend, Benjamin Dynamics. Check out his YouTuber. There's a few of them, but by the way, he's not like the grown-up one, I forget, but I know he's about 12 years old. So yeah, please like, subscribe to him. And in one of my future episodes, I'll actually let you guys meet him so you know what I'm talking about. You guys can actually see Benjamin Dynamics. So yeah. But like I'm gonna here's some of the videos I might play in this channel. I might play Call of Duty, because I don't judge. See, but I'm gonna play maybe some Minecraft videos. I'm gonna probably eventually make a survival series, so you guys will eventually get to see some more of my channels. But yeah, okay, I get this, but so you see that, like, hear that noise, like the fan noise? It is actually a fan. I got 2 fans going right now. So, and I'm playing this in my bed. So, I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Well, you can just watch yourself play some gaming. Like, this channel is gonna be about gaming and lots of fun stuff. So, stay tuned to my channel. Guys, I actually never made a YouTube channel in my life. So I hope you guys will like my channel and all. You know, it's kind of stupid yeah. But still, just like, subscribe to my channel, Benjamin Dynamics channel, and a lot of other ones. So yeah, like, so like I think you'll be giving some shout outs to you at the end of the video. I'll be telling you a word. If you know this word, I'll tell you to at the end of the video, and if you actually tell me the 3 words, I'm gonna tell you 3 words. Okay, guys? And then you guys have to, if you guess the right word, I'm gonna heart and give I'm gonna heart your comment, and I will give you a shout out. Yay! That's how the channel is gonna work. My first video, I wasn't doing it because, yeah. And I hope I hope my channel gets so much subscribers. You won't believe how much I want, but yeah, so yeah. This channel is mainly about having fun, playing video games. So yeah. So I'll be talking a lot in this video. So I'm not gonna make this video into a channel. Because eventually I will make a few videos about this. I'm making this like a bunch of stuff about Subway Shufflers because yeah, all the videos about Subway Shufflers will be will be like about when I want to talk to you guys, explain about what videos are gonna be doing. I know I did like 2 flippant videos in one day. I just want to get some likes. I only have 2 subscribers. That's it. So please subscribe to my channel and like, yeah, it'll make me so happy. Eventually, I might even make myself a face reveal. But yeah, if I hit 100 likes in this video, I will do some more Subway Shufflers. Yay! And I will like give some more. And plus, if you like and subscribe, please comment down below. And if you like this video, I might also if you like and subscribe, I also might possibly give you a shout out as well. So I hope you enjoy this video, but it's not ending here. I have no clue how long I've been making this video for. Well, and yeah, today I'm actually sick, so yeah. That's why you might hear me sniffle a bit sometimes, or cough or whatnot, but I'm barely not gonna cough that much. But yeah. I hope you do enjoy the video so far. So like, we're also gonna play some games like Need for Speed. Even though I'm just a girl, it doesn't mean I can't play boy-like games. And I'm doing this channel on my dad's phone, since I don't have my own phone. Stupid. But yeah. Just please like and subscribe to my channel. It'll make me so darn happy that someone will actually like my videos. And nobody like ever likes my videos. So please, when you ever find one of these videos on YouTube, I would like you to play like, so yeah, okay, this stupid dog. Oopsies, but I hope you guys will enjoy this video, this wonderful, fantastic video, which I killed myself, but yeah, I'll be doing this ad real quick because I failed miserably, so I'm not trying to do this for copyright, sorry. I have no clue how to do this, so this stupid, so like, right now my head hurts and I'm laying in bed, even though it's like 1 something, it's 2:04 I'm planning to play with my friends today. And I might even invite one of my friends over to be in a YouTube video. But yeah. Also, here's some videos that you should watch. Well, here's some channels you should like and subscribe to. You should like and subscribe Benjamin Dynamics. What the heck? You should like and subscribe to Benjamin Dynamics, Magikarp Films, and I will be mentioning some more later. Yay! So yeah. In one of my videos, I will be telling you which app I'm using, so you can be a YouTuber like me. Just not today. So yeah, tomorrow, like I'm in 3rd grade. And tomorrow I also will be posting another video. I will probably do multiple videos a day. Since if I get bored, yeah. I pretty much get bored a lot. So I hope you guys will subscribe to my channel. And I'll say that like 50,000 times. Usually I make up to like 2 to 3 videos a day. And yeah, because I just feel like it and I love making videos for you guys. So you guys are my fans and I love you guys. Just so like guys, yeah, that's like the wrong thing, but yeah.